Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing the very first mod to my 2015 Audi A4 S-Line. Unfortunately, I usually go and get tint, but with everything going on, tint shops are still closed or they're only limited in the appointments that they take, so that's going to be for another video. But in today's video, I'm going to be installing a carbon fiber spoiler on this car. So there are a few different options for spoilers for this car. I see that a lot of people are installing this kind of ducktail spoiler, but to be honest, I don't really like the way it looks. I just think the ducktail piece just sticks out way too vertical, and it just, I don't know, it just looks really weird to me. That's just my opinion. So what I did was I got something a little different. It is a slight duck build, but also it tapers in and it's carbon fiber. So let me show you the product and then I will show you the install. So here is the new spoiler. It looks really cool. It has a ducktail and it tapers in. So it looks really nice. Check out the carbon fiber weave. Yeah, that quality is really nice. The only thing that stinks was it didn't come with double-sided tape mounted on the inside. So I'm gonna have to clean that up with some isopropyl alcohol and then line it with my own double-sided tape. Now I'm going to use some isopropyl alcohol and a rag to thoroughly clean the trunk. So here's my trick to installing the spoiler. I'm going to peel back the red film from the center just to expose the double-sided tape so I can mount the spoiler, adjust it as necessary, and once I find the right spot, I'll peel all the red film and apply pressure. But first, I'm going to heat it up with a heat gun so it's nice and sticky. Now I'm just going to go ahead and find a nice center mounting point. And again, I can adjust it as necessary. And once it's in the right spot, I'm going to apply pressure to the center. And then I'm going to start peeling away at the red film and applying pressure to the rest of the spoiler. And that should be it for the install. Well, there you have it. What do you guys think? I personally like it. It sticks out a little too far, but at the end of the day, once I put my aggressive diffuser on the bottom with the quad tips, I think it's gonna match perfectly fine. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.